Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Mr. Ghana, baby. And it's your girl Miss Cuteness. Don't forget to like our YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment on it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. Peace out. I am Maya. For my jollof, I have my cooking oil, blended onion, ginger, garlic, and pepper. I used the green bakbushito, habanero pepper, curry powder, seasoning cube. I didn't even end up using an onion, and salt to taste, which I didn't show in the video. I have my rice, my tomato paste, tasted some enriched tomato paste. It's rich with vitamins and fiber. Yes, it's the best tomato paste on the market. My 2-year-old is awake now. I have my chicken. I've removed the skin, the fat, and everything. So I'm steaming it with the blended ginger, garlic, onion, and pepper, and dried spices, which I did myself. It's a mixture of thyme, rosemary, and all that. I'll be showing it. I'll be doing a tutorial about it on this channel. Yes, darling. Do you want to help mommy do the voiceover? Okay. So right now I've steamed it for 5 minutes. I've steamed this for 5 minutes and it's almost done. I'll be frying it. I'm using the cooking oil, so I'm frying it at the moment. I didn't want it too crispy. I want it to be tender and juicy. So I'm done frying my chicken. I'll be cooking my blended mixture in the oil that I use for frying because it still contains flavors, and then I like it that way. Oh my god, I've cooked it for 5 minutes. It's looking good, and I've added my tomato paste. I'll be cooking it for some time, for 2 minutes, and then I'll add my rice. So added my rice and stirred it for some time. I added some water and I've covered it now to cook it on low heat. I cooked this on low heat for 15 minutes. I kept checking on it from time to time, so it was cooked the way I liked it. This is the easiest jollof recipe ever. I didn't use fresh tomatoes. It's just this and your jollof is done. Like, it looks so good, trust me. It tastes so good. This is the simplest jollof recipe ever. Ghana Jollof Papebi. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment below any recipe you'd like to see on my channel, and I'll do it for you. Thank you.